Hello everyone, welcome to MSFT webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to create new offline address book in Exchange Server 2019. An offline address book, also known as OAB, is a downloadable address list collection that Outlook users can access while disconnected from Exchange Server. So in short, we can say Outlook users can access offline address book while they are in an offline mode. The offline address book is cached on the local client so that users can search the global address list when sending the messages in offline mode. By default, a new installation of Exchange 2019 creates an offline address book named Default Offline Address Book on the server. The default offline address book contains the entire global address list, which includes all the recipients in the Exchange organization. We can create additional global address list and add them to a custom offline address book. Default offline address book is going to use by mailboxes and mailbox databases that don't have an offline address book assigned to them. By default, the offline address book is generated on Mailbox server only once every day at 5 a.m. This means that any additions, deletions, or changes made to mail-enabled recipients are only committed to the offline address book once daily, unless you modify the schedule to generate the offline address book more frequently. In the last video, we have created a new custom global address list named MSFT Webcast GAL, containing all the users from the company name MSFT Webcast. In this video, we want to create new offline address book with the MSFT Webcast global address list in it. And we want to assign new offline address book to our users from the MSFT Webcast company. To do so, on Exchange 2019 server, we need to open Exchange Management Shell. For that, we need to click on Start button and click on Microsoft Exchange Server 2019, and then after click on Exchange Management Shell. Let's type cd/ and let's clear the screen. Now first, let's view the existing offline address books on the local system. And for that, we are going to use cmdelete get-offline address book. Let's press enter key. And as you can see, we have only one offline address book named Default Offline Address Book, and that contains default global address list. Remember, we want to create new offline address book containing MSFT Webcast global address list. Let's run get-global address list command to view the summary of all the global address list on the local system. Let's press enter key. Here we can see the custom global address list named MSFT Webcast GAL. We want to include this global address list in our new offline address book. To create a new offline address book, we need to run cmdelete new-offline address book. So our complete command will be new offline address book --name MSFT Webcast OAB-address list MSFT Webcast GAL global web distribution enable value will be true. We have specified one more switch -global web distribution enabled with value true to specify all offline address book virtual directories in the organization to accept requests to download the offline address book. And these locations are advertised by the auto discover service. Let's press enter key to create new offline address book named MSFT Webcast OAB. Perfect. As you can see, offline address book has been created successfully. Let's run command get-offline address book to view the list of offline address book on the local system. From the output of that cmdelete, we can verify the creation of new offline address book named MSFT Webcast OAB with version 4 and included global address list is MSFT Webcast global address list. Now we are going to manually assign new offline address book to the Mailbox database in Exchange 2019. And for that, we are going to use Exchange Admin Center web interface. So on Exchange server, we need to open Internet Explorer and type https://localhost/ECP and press enter key to access Exchange Admin Center. Click on more information and click on go on to the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center web interface, we need to click on Servers section. And then after, we need to click on Databases tab. In our case, all the mailboxes from our company MSFT Webcast are currently stored in a mailbox database named DB02. And that's why I have selected it. To assign an offline address book to the mailbox database, you need to select the mailbox database and then after you need to click on edit icon. On left hand side, we need to click on client settings and here we need to click on browse to select the offline address book. Let's select a newly created offline address book named MSFT Webcast OAB. Let's select it and click on OK. Here you can confirm that MSFT Webcast OAB is selected for this mailbox database. We simply need to click on Save to save the changes. Perfect. So now we have successfully created new offline address book with custom global address list, and we have also assigned that offline address book to mailbox database. In this way, we can create new offline address book with custom global address list in Exchange 2019. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.